Hello friends, my name is Narendra. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you one of interesting command on auto dataset. Again, why I am using auto dataset? I am using auto dataset for my whole lecture, my whole tutorials because auto dataset has been already into your computer. Okay, so I am making clear my dataset. Now I am using auto dataset. This use auto dataset has been imported and today's command is sort. Okay, sorting the data. I want to sort my data set. I want to sort variable. I want to sort my data set. How can I do that? Like right now we have nearby 10 variables: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. I have 13 data set, 13 variables in the data set. I want few variables in my data set so we can understand our command easily. Okay, so I am keeping three variables: make, mpg, and one more, like suppose wait. Why I'm doing this? I'm doing this so we can understand command easily. Okay, now if I will browse a variable, suppose I will browse, let's each thing is new. Now I want to sort mpg or I want to sort weight. How can I do that? Simply sort and weight. I'm not typing. I hit enter. Now our data set has been sorted by the weight. Lowest will be on the top, highest on the very bottom. Okay, now suppose I want to see that 5 cars with the highest weight. How can I see that? Okay, I want to see, so list is a command and I want to see car. Okay, make weight and -5 slash. So these are the 5 cars, those have highest weight. Okay, 4840. Let's browse and check. I browsed, going on the bottom. Let's make it. And here I can see that these are the 5 largest. I want to see lowest. How can I do that? That's also easy. I did -5 for the last 5. Now 1 for the top 5. Okay, I need 5, so 1 to 5, and then I hit here. These are the first 5. So you can use sort command to sort your data set. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.